power of dreams.
Honda is introducing updated navigation system. Navigation features added to the map. Now first time in Pakistan, customer can select their destination by speaking the destination. There were signals information only, now traffic information has also been available. Building floors information also added in navigation map. Now house numbers are also visible on the map. Intelligent search gives convenience for customers to search destination easily. Point of interest now available with additional categories. Voice recognition available for the first time in Pakistan. Model town. And traffic information. We have added building floors. House numbers. Intelligent search. Point of interest. Honda, the power of dreams.